during the 7-week period since the detection of the first local COVID-19 case on March 11th, the highest number of infected patients was reported in the past week. With the 31 patients identified yesterday, 309 people have been diagnosed with COVID-19 this week. Since the detection of the first infected Navy sailor on the 22nd of April, 308 newly diagnosed COVID-19 infections were reported as of today, including 235 naval personnel. During the past 8 days, barring clusters of infected Navy personnel at the Välisaari Navy base, only 73 COVID-19 infected persons were detected from within quarantine facilities and during field observations. Of the 31 cases identified yesterday, 21 were naval personnel and 4 from among army personnel. With a total of 155 cases reported, Colombo continues to top the list of districts with the highest number of COVID-19 patients. In the districts of Kalutara, Gampaha and Putlam, which are also classified as high-risk zones, 63, 47 and 41 coronavirus patients have been detected respectively. With the detection of 2 more patients from the Kurunegala district, the numbers rose to 20 today. So far, the districts of Nuwara, Kilinochchi, Mana and Mullaitivu has been spared from the virus's reach. In the meantime, with the identification of 4 COVID-19 patients from Dabare Mawatha in Narahempita and from Hattavatta in Torrington Avenue, 160 people suspected to have been exposed to the virus underwent PCR testing. However, test results have confirmed that none of the 160 individuals tested were COVID-19 positive. Following the detection of COVID-19 positive sailor in the Agalavatta area who returned home on leave from the Välisaari Navy base, residents from the neighbourhood were transported to the IDH hospital where they were subjected to PCR tests. According to reports, the sailor's mother, father, wife and child along with another youth from the neighbourhood have so far tested positive for the virus. Another sailor on leave residing in the Padavi area too has been diagnosed with COVID-19. Meanwhile, according to a decision made by the Anuradhapura District Chamber of Commerce, shops in the district were closed today and will continue to be shut down tomorrow as well. The decision was made due to the gradual increase in the number of infected persons detected in the district. As a result, all shops in Nochiyagama, Eppavala, Talava and Tamuttegama were seen closed today. The Traders Association in Navalapita today also took a decision to close down shops in the area following reports that a COVID-19 carrier had frequented the area. Meanwhile, the Sri Lanka Engineering Corp yesterday handed over a newly refurbished quarantine centre at the National Mental Health Institute in Angoda to hospital administrators. Meanwhile, the Sri Lanka Navy handed over a Medimate remote-controlled smart device to the Negombo District General Hospital officials yesterday, which will be used to treat COVID-19 patients. This smart device can be used by healthcare workers to diagnose ailments, communicate with patients and dispense medication and meals to them without the need to expose staff to infected patients. Meanwhile, with the detection of 8 new cases of coronavirus today, the total number of infected currently stands at 627. The number includes 486 active cases and a further 134 patients who have been sent home after complete recoveries. Currently, 250 others are under medical observation on suspicion. Meanwhile, the Government Medical Officers Association has called on the government to take further precautions to ensure the safety of the country's healthcare and military personnel engaged in combating the virus. Releasing a statement, the GMO has urged the government to provide these personnel with adequate personal protective equipment, calling it a national responsibility. In the meantime, another Sri Lankan Airlines charter flight took off to New Delhi in India today to airlift Sri Lankan students unable to return home due to travel restrictions. Carrying 143 passengers, the flight landed in the country this evening.
ශ්‍රී ලංකා යුද හමුදා විසින් පවත්වාගෙන යනු ලබන පූනානි නිරෝධායන මධ්‍යස්ථානය වෙත නිරෝධායන සඳහා සම්බන්ධ කිරීමට නියමිතව තිබෙනවා. මේ වන විට ත්‍රිවිධ හමුදාව විසින් පවත්වාගෙන යනු ලැබූ නිරෝධායන මධ්‍යස්ථාන තුලින් පුද්ගලයන් 4659 දෙනෙකු තම නිරෝධායන කටයුතු අවසන් වී නිවෙස් බලා පිටස්ව ගොස් තිබෙනවා. එසේම නාරහෙම්පිට ප්‍රදේශයේ කොයිත් 19 වෛරසය ආසාදිත පුද්ගලයන් හමුවීම සමග ඊය දිනේ පුද්ගලයන් 69 දෙනෙකු ධම්මින්න නිරෝධායන මධ්‍යස්ථාන වෙත නිරෝධායන ක්‍රියාවලියකට යොමු කිරීමට කටයුතු කරනු ලැබුවා. එසේම නාවික හමුදාවේ අපගේ වීරෝදාර රණවිරුවන් ආසාදිත වූ රණවිරුවන්ගේ ළඟින් ඇසුරු කරපු අයලුන් 184 දෙනෙකු පොම්පෙවඩු නිරෝධායන මධ්‍යස්ථාන වෙත රැගෙන යාමටත් කටයුතු කරනු ලැබුවා. ඒ අනුව ත්‍රිවිධ හමුදා මගින් පාලනය කරන නිරෝධායන මධ්‍යස්ථාන 32ක් තුළ අද දින වන විට 3609 දෙනෙකු නිරෝධායන වෙමින් පවතිනවා.
ලීව ආයුෂ් කරාබු නැටි දන්තාලේපය ශක්තිමත් දත් දෙපළකට